Good morning.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Good morning. Open your cameras, beta. Open your cameras, hurry up. Very good. Parth Gupta.
Good morning, ma'am. Parth Gupta is present in the class of GK.
Good morning. Good morning, beta. How are you all? Fine?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Everybody get ready with
Yes,
the books.
okay, ma'am.
We were doing chapter number 1, Les Salutations, right? Which chapter are we doing? Les Salutations? Yes or no?
Ma'am, in GK?
This is not your GK class, beta. This is your French class.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour, bonjour. I'm asking in French. We were doing chapter number 1, leçon 1, Les Salutations, right?
What is this, the book of French? Yes, ma'am. We have done till 7.
This,
What is this, the book of French?
that's this thing, the workbook.
Yes, ma'am.
That's the workbook, beta. The textbook, I'll show you which one is the textbook. Just wait.
Ma'am, this one is the textbook.
Méthode de français. See what's written? Méthode de français. All of you have this book?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
number?
Ma'am, please.
Yes. Very nice. Very good. Now we were doing chapter number 1. That begins from page number 14. Isn't it?
Yes,
Page number
ma'am.
14. So we have done page number 14. We have done page number 15. We have done page number 16.
No, ma'am, we have done till only the first page, 7. One, Jen, Apple. Now we have to do from 16.
We have to do from page number 16. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. All right. So now coming to page number 16, see what is written on the top. Children, you have to write the translation of each and every word. Okay, each and every word you have to translate in English and write. Apprenons à répondre aux salutations. Apprenons means let us learn. Just apprenons, one word means let us learn. Now let us learn to do what? A stands for to. Apprenons à répondre. Let's learn to reply to the greetings. Okay. Now, how do you reply when somebody asks you how you are, how are you feeling? It is like you have different ways of replying, isn't it? Sometimes you're in a good mood, sometimes you're fine, sometimes you're not fine, sometimes you are in a bad mood, sometimes you're in a good mood but ill health. So there are different ways of replying to such things. So the first one, the moods are indicated by these small faces. You can easily come to know which mood says what, which face says what. Just a minute. Yes. So the first one is the question that comes to ask how are you is comment ça va? Okay. When you ask informally, you ask comment ça va? And when you ask formally, you ask, "Como allez-vous?" So the replies can be to both the questions, they can be in the different ways. The first one, ça va, that's fine. Ça va bien, very good. Okay, ça va bien is good. Ça va bien, merci, fine, thank you. Pas mal. Pas mal, not bad. Write it down, beta. Everybody please write it down. Take a pencil in your hand. You want me to repeat it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The first one is Sava. Sava is like fine. Fine.
And this?
Sava means fine.
On this one?
No, beta. On page number 16. Open page. You have different faces made. And on the top, what it's written, Apprenons à répondre aux salutations. Let us learn to reply to salutations, to greetings.
So, ma'am, kava.
Sava means fine. Sava is fine. Then Sava bien, fine, good.
I am good.
Yes, it's like good. Everybody please open your cameras, children. Why can I see your cameras off? Then the third one, ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci means fine, thank you. I'm good, thank you. Then the next one, pas mal. Pas mal means not bad.
It's not pasma.
Pas mal, not pas mal. All the consonants that come in the end of any word are always silent. Okay, that is
What
why.
is the meaning of kava bean mercy?
Ça va bien, merci. I'm fine or I'm good, thank you. Mercy stands for thank you. Merci. How do you say thank you in French? It said like merci, merci, like that. Then the next one is pas mal. Pas mal, not bad. Mal stands for bad. And mal even stands for pain. Pain in French. Okay. So here it means not bad. Then next is comme si comme ça. Comme si comme ça is like neither too good nor too bad. Just okay, okay. So. Then last. Yes. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, then tell me the last one, the meaning of the last one, Parth Gupta. The last one is Sava Mal. What does that mean?
Ma'am, it means pain or bad.
No, but what is the meaning of Sava Mal? Tell me. How will you explain me Sava Mal?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Ashmira was raising. Yes, Ashmira, tell.
I am not good.
Okay, not good, but we can say I'm bad. Okay. Mal stands for bad here, so it's like I'm bad. I'm in a bad mood. Then after that we have under it. Now these are all replies to different different greetings. Now next is how do we say goodbye? Let us learn to say goodbye. Yes, we say bye in different ways in English also. Like just a simple bye or okay, see you later. Okay, see you tomorrow. All right, see you very soon. We'll be back. We'll be back after a short while. Like that. There are different ways in English also. In English also. So let's learn these ways. How do we say them in French? The first one, oh, yes.
Ma'am, pass mal means?
Pa mal, not bad. Pa stands for not.
Okay.
And mal stands for bad. So, not bad. Then we have apprenons, apprendre, congé. Apprenons, apprendre, congé. Let's learn to say goodbye. The first one is the simple one. It's au revoir. It's see, look at the spellings. O, then R-E, and then voir. Revoir. But we don't say au revoir. What do we say? Au revoir. Au revoir. Re is somehow silent. Okay? It is somehow silent. Yes. Then the next one, a bientôt. A bientôt is see you soon. Then the next one is a bientôt, which means see you soon. A bientôt is see you soon. Then we have a tout à l'heure. A tout à l'heure. So how do we read it? A tout à l'heure. A tout à l'heure. That means see you very soon. A tout à l'heure. See you very soon. A bientôt is see you. A bientôt is just see you.
Ma'am, please repeat from first. Ma'am, what is the meaning of first one?
A bientôt is see you soon. The first one is au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye, normal goodbye.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, a bientôt means see you soon.
Yes. A bientôt is see you soon. A bientôt. See you or see you soon, like that. Then, after a bientôt is a tout à l'heure. A tout à l'heure is see you very soon. Like we say, see you in a short while, like that. See you in a short while or something like that. So it's see you very soon.
Ma'am,
A tout à l'heure. So how do we say? A tout à l'heure. L'heure. H is silent. A tout à l'heure. A tout à l'heure. Yes, a tout à l'heure.
it means
See you very soon or see you in a short while. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Then after a tout à l'heure, we have bonne soirée. Now sometimes when we leave, when we depart, don't we say have a nice day, have a nice evening, like that? We say it, no? So bonne soirée stands for have a nice evening. Yes, Ashmira?
That we say good evening.
No. Now see, this is the difference. Good evening is said when you meet somebody. When we meet somebody, we say bonsoir. Like to wish when you meet, good evening. But when you want to depart, when you're departing, you say have a good evening, right? You say it like that. The moment you meet somebody, you don't say have a good evening. You wish the person by saying good evening or good morning. But while departing, you say have a good evening or have a good day, right? So this is the difference between bonne soirée and bonne journée. Bonne journée again is have a good day.
Ma'am, next one.
Next one is aplutar. Aplutar. Again, pay attention. We will not say plus or plus. S is silent. It is aplutar. That is see you later. See you later. Then bon nuit. All of you know bon nuit is. What is bon nuit?
Good evening. Good night.
Good night. It's not good evening. Good evening is bonsoir.
Ma'am,
Then-
ma'am, repeat one more time.
Bon nuit is good good night. And aplutar is see you later. Aplutar, see you later.
Okay, ma'am.
Done? Now next. Yes, next we have Adama. Adama is see you tomorrow. Now this you can say to each other when you come back to school. When you return to school, you can say it to each other because once you leave the school, you meet the next day. So you'll say Adama. And then the last one, bon après-midi is good afternoon.
Adima means
Adama is see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
okay, ma'am.
Done? Now we have different ways we have learned. We have gone through different ways of saying goodbye and we have gone through different ways of telling our mood, different moods. Then coming on to the next page, next page, that is 17. Apprenons des mots de politesse. Now, what is des mots? Yes. Now, what do you mean by MOTS? Apprenons des mots. Let us learn the words. Mo stands for words. WORDS. Apprenons des mots de politesse, of politeness. Let's learn the words of politeness. So, ultimately, we will learn how to be polite. Now, sometimes what happens, accidentally, by mistake, something wrong happens. That you accidentally push somebody, somebody falls down because of you, or you accidentally drop something from your hand, something from your hand gets dropped. Things like this. So every time you can't be rude, no? Every time you can't just go and end up in a fight. What do? Sometimes you let go of things. You say, oh, it's okay, never mind. No, it's fine. Things like this. So let's learn how to be polite in these different ways. Okay. The first one, yes. Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, the first one, it is excuse me, madam means excuse me, madam.
Yes. Now let me come to it. The first one is excusez-moi, madame. Excusez-moi, excuse me, madam. The boy standing, the student standing outside the class. So he's saying, excuse me, ma'am. So what does the ma'am say from inside? The ma'am says, entre s'il te plaît. Entre. Entre stands for come in. Come in. And s'il te plaît is please. S'il te plaît stands for please. Come in, please. Entre s'il te plaît. Come in, please. Then the next one, pardonnez-moi, monsieur. Now see what happens. Accidentally, the book drops from this person's hand because of the little girl. Can you see in the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what does the girl say? The girl says, pardonnez-moi, monsieur. Pardon me, sir. So the sir replies, de rien. De rien is like, it's okay. Je t'en prie. Je t'en prie, I forgive you. De rien. Je t'en prie.
Ma'am, what is the pardon is moi?
Pardonnez-moi is pardon me. Pardon is an English word also, beta. You must have come across this word in English subject. Pardon me. No? Okay, pardon is when you want to say sorry, or when you want somebody to repeat something. Pardon. Yes? So here it means the girl is apologizing. She's saying pardonnez-moi.
Ma'am, can you tell me again the meaning of plate? Ma'am, in the
No,
first
see,
one.
play is not used separately. The whole expression goes still the play. Still the play.
Okay, ma'am. What is the meaning of that?
Yes?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of that in English?
Please, please. S'il te plaît and s'il vous plaît. Both mean please. Now, s'il te plaît is when you say it informally. And s'il vous plaît when you say it formally. When you say it somebody who is older to you. Clear?
Ma'am, the next. Okay, ma'am.
Next one. Now, the boy or the girl, whosoever it is, the girl says, sees this ice cream stall and says,
I want please,
s'il
Papa.
vous plaît, Papa. Now, s'il vous plaît, what does it mean?
Please, Papa.
Yes, please, Papa. Then, now see, in the next picture, this boy falls down because of some other boy. Right? So what is he doing? What is the boy saying in the pink shirt? He's realizing, he's apologizing. He's saying désolé. Désolé. Désolé is sorry. Désolé. If I want to say I'm sorry, I will say je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. I'm sorry. Then the boy replies, oh, ça va. Oh, it's okay. Oh, fine. Yes, beta. Mangshi. Yes.
Oh, fine.
Yes. Oh, fine. Like that. Very good. Then,
Next one. Ma'am, the next one.
then see, the girl offers flowers to her teacher. The teacher says, merci beaucoup. Now, what is merci beaucoup?
Ma'am, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Beaucoup means, see, beaucoup stands for a lot, very much, so much. Okay, it can be used anyway. It means a lot. So the teacher says, merci beaucoup. The girl says, il n'y a pas de quoi. Il n'y a pas de quoi. That is, it's okay, doesn't matter. Mention not. Simply like mention not. We say it in English, no? When somebody says thank you, we say mention not. So it's il n'y a pas de quoi. Then, coming on to the next page. Children, is it clear till here?
Yes,
Yes? Okay. Can we have a quick recap session of all the things we have learned? Yes. All right. So you need to tell me now, what is when you want to say that I am okay, okay. When you're not in a very good mood, not in a very bad mood. You're just in a okay mood. What do you say? Just say it. Don't raise hand. Just say it. Okay. Very nice. That's correct. But it is pronounced comme si, comme ça.
Kamsa.
Yes. Everybody say comme si, comme ça. Okay. What if you want to say not bad?
Ma'am, pass mal.
Is it pass mal? Is it pass?
Pass mal.
Pass.
Ma'am, pass mal.
Ma'am, kawa mal.
No, pa mal is correct, but the pronunciation is not correct. I told you, beta, consonants in the end will not be pronounced.
Ma'am, pa mal.
Very nice. That's pa mal. Not bad is pa mal. And what if you want to say I'm bad?
Ma'am, kawa mal.
Very nice. That's savamal. Savamal. Okay. Now what if you want to say somebody have a good evening? Bye. Have a good evening.
Sorry.
No, I want the whole expression. Both the things together. Goodbye. Have a good evening.
Sorry.
Okay. Very nice. Okay. How do we say it? We say it au revoir. Au revoir. Bonne soirée. Say it. Yes. Au revoir. Bonne soirée. Au revoir. Bonne soirée. Then next. What if you want to say somebody have a good day? Have a good day.
Ma'am, bonjour.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Bonjourne. 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 Very good. Okay. What if you want to say see you in a short while or see you very soon? Yes, Ashmira, good. A, tu, a,
Tour.
a, tuta, ler. A, tut, a, ler. A, tut, a, ler. Yes, a, tut, a, ler. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What if you want to say somebody, see you tomorrow? Very good, very nice. How do you pronounce it now? Adama. 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 Okay, and see you soon. See you soon is B. Okay, starts from B. Yes, Vidushi. What do you say? Very nice. A biento. A biento. Okay, a bien. A biento. Like that. Everybody speak. Abiento. Very good. Now, coming on to the next page. Come in, please. What is come in, please?
Ma'am,
Okay, it's on through Silter Play. On through Silter Play.
On
through Silter Play. Okay? Come in, please.
Okay.
Children, there's a lot of noise now in my background.
Mom, little bit is coming.
Okay, I will change my place. I will go in another room. There is some construction work going on. So I'll just change my place. Okay, now what is the next thing given? What are we supposed to do now?
Ma'am, we have to do.
Next.
Ma'am, on page number 20, there are given something. Let us learn.
On page number 20.
Aprons, let us learn.
Aprons what?
Let us learn. On 20.
Let us learn.
On 20 and 21 page.
Okay, it's apprenons. No, on page number 18. Now we are on page number 18, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So on page number 18, what we can see is there are different dialogues given, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what's
Yes, ma'am.
written over there? Lisez ces dialogues. Lisez ces dialogues. What does lisez mean? Lisez means read. Read these dialogues. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, the first one is conversation informelle. Conversation informelle. That means this is an informal conversation. Correct?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see. Dialogue number 1. Harry says, salut. Ron says, salut. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? What does tu t'appelles mean?
So come on to the ma'am.
How do you call? What is comment tu t'appelles? All of you have forgotten. Comment tu t'appelles? How do you call yourself? What is your name? How do you call yourself? So,
Well,
Harry says, je m'appelle Harry, et toi? What does that mean? Je m'appelle Harry, et toi?
My name
ma'am,
is Harry.
my name is Harry Ford.
And
And
yours. And yours.
And yours.
Et toi stands for and yours. So Ron says, je m'appelle Ron.
My name.
My name is Ron.
My name is Ron. When you want to ask, see somebody, when you are informally asking someone what his or her name is, you will ask, comment tu t'appelles? What will you ask?
Comment tu t'appelles?
The bell.
Comment tu t'appelles? Then,
Comment tu t'appelles?
now let's come on to the formal conversation. Conversation formelle. Le professeur. Now it is between a professor. Professor means a teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Teacher in French is called professeur. Le professeur Manuel. Okay, so what does the professor say? Bonjour,
Good
Manuel.
morning.
Manuel says,
Good morning.
very good. Manuel says, bonjour, monsieur. What is monsieur?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Now see, then Manuel asks the teacher, comment vous appelez-vous? Underline this line.
How are you?
No, not at all. Comment vous appelez-vous? Yes, Shalima Noor, you're raising your hand. No, that's...
What is your name?
Yes.
Sir,
What's your name?
What's your name? Now, when we ask the name formally, we use vous in between. And when we ask it informally, we use tu in between. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Comment tu t'appelles? Everybody say, comment tu t'appelles?
Formal tutabel.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Formal tutabel.
Yes. Comment tu t'appelles?
Comment tu t'appelles?
And comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Beta, write it in Hindi. Write both these things in Hindi so that you are able to practice it later. Write it right now. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Like we ring a bell, it's pell. Comment tu t'appelles?
Ma'am, comment tu t'appelles is written as
How do you call yourself? It means how do you call yourself informally, informal way. And then the next is comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Write it down. Comment vous appelez-vous? Written?
हाँ मैम. Yes मैम.
So Manuel asks the teacher, comment vous appelez-vous? The teacher says, je m'appelle Jean.
My name is Jen Martin.
My name is, yes, Jean Martin. Jean Martin. That's, if we call it in English, we will say Jean Martin, right? In English, we will pronounce it Jean Martin, but in French, it's Jean. Jean Martin.
Martin.
Then Manuel says, what does Manuel says?
au revoir.
Again, au revoir. What did I tell you? How do we pronounce
Goodbye.
it?
Goodbye.
It means
Goodbye.
goodbye, but how do you pronounce it?
Or we
Au revoir. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir, monsieur.
Monsieur. Au revoir, monsieur.
Au revoir, monsieur.
And then
Au revoir, monsieur.
the professor says, au revoir, Manuel.
Manuel.
That means Manuel is telling his name. I pronounce myself, and then the teacher is also telling how I pronounce my name.
Only Manuel asked the teacher, sir, what is your name? Good morning, sir. How do you call yourself? The teacher told his name. I call myself Jean Martin. That's all. Manuel never told his name, beta. Then Manuel is saying, bye, sir. Au revoir, sir. And sir is saying, au revoir, Manuel.
Okay.
Okay, Manuel, when did Manuel tell his name? He never told his name in this dialogue, did he? No. Then, coming on to the page, oh, sorry, the last part of this page. See, the sir is saying, bonjour, Sarah, comment allez-vous? Can you see the professor standing near the board, the dialogue above him? What does the dialogue say? Bonjour, Sarah.
Good morning. How are you?
Yes.
Sarah,
Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Everybody say comment allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous means how are you? We can ask comment ça va informally and comment allez-vous formally. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Both mean the same. Comment ça va and comment allez-vous, both of them mean same. It's only the difference of formal, informal. Then, what does Sarah say? Sarah says, bonjour, monsieur. Bien. Bonjour, monsieur. Good morning, sir. Now she says bien. Bien is good. Et vous and you. Good morning, sir. Good and you.
Good morning.
Then